All right, guys. It is another beautiful day. We all thank God that we have seen another day. So, let's grind, guys. So today, what are we gonna look at, guys? Is how would you be able to purchase your first cryptocurrency into Binance, guys? So make sure that you do have a Binance account. Let me just take you to Play Store. Boom, here we are at the Play Store, and then we search Binance account or application. You can see here, um, I'm already installed it. I don't want to upgrade right now. I'll just do it later. So this is Binance, guys. So it is a exchanger where we could be able to purchase our first cryptocurrency, guys. So let's go to Binance, guys. So you can see here we are in Binance account, right? So where to do or where to purchase our first crypto? You see below there is a menu in here. You can see home, market, trade, future, and wallet. We go and hit trade, right? It will take us to where we can be able to trade, guys. You see here, guys, at the top there is a menu, so you go directly to P2P. We hit to P2P, and then we choose currency, let's say USD. So it will connect us with those people who they're just selling their crypto. Remember, guys, this is P2P. um so you can choose and you can see here on your right hand side there is payment processor. Other people is just accept bank, other people they just accept payment processor, right? Bank transfer. You can just see for yourself, guys. Let's say we just want to purchase USDT, and you can see these are the list of the seller. On your left hand side there is Bong USDT, Big Money, Arians 77, Phenom USDT, Monego, EX, Rico Peak, Delan, Pana, Digital Exchange, KH. So these are the list of the seller, guys. One of the things you gotta need to um, be very concerned. You see, in front of the every seller there is a yellow tick. It's like a beige. So these are very reliable sellers. So make sure every time you go buy your crypto, you choose a reliable seller. These are the people who they have a credibility within the platform. So let's say we choose this guy, and you can see here there is a remedy available what they're selling. For example, to the number one guy at the list, he's Bong, right? If you just see availability of how many USDT he has, it is 190, right? So if you, let's say you want a 1000, you have to choose another seller. You can come here to Big Money, you have a 2838. If let's say you just want a big cash like 36,000 USD, you can come to Arians. Here you can just purchase direct from him. So let's click buying. right? It will take us to the next page where we just need to say how much or choose how much we do wanna purchase. Let's say 3,000. You can just see you will receive 2,985. So $15 will be like a charging fee or processing fee. So how do this seller accept his payment? Through Bank of Georgia, guys. And you can see advertiser status is online, guys. So if you do press order, you have to make sure that you have all the means to pay the money to this Georgia uh, bank, guys. So that is a simple on how you can do. For my case, let's say I'm from Tanzania and I do wanna purchase my crypto. So here's what I will just do it, guys. I already choose my currency TZS, and these are the list of sellers. And then let's say I choose this guy. He accept the M-Pesa. This is a some form of payment processor. It's a mobile money processor. Airtel. This guy received Airtel money and bank transfer. So availability, he only has a $2, so he couldn't save me. There is another guy, he received Tigo. Let me go to someone who he has enough money so that I can purchase from him. Okay, we have Mot JJ. I have $300. So let me click to the guy so that for me to be able to purchase from him. You can just see here, let's say I just want to purchase 50,000 Tanzanian shilling, right? And then I press order, right? Guys, I'm just in doing this for illustration of showing you the entire procedure on how you can be able to purchase your crypto via Binance exchanger, guys. So you can see, I can see the payment detail. This guy just received money from Wakara Tigo Pesa investment, and you can see here's what he said. So guys, that is how. So if I just want to pay, I'll just pay this guy to this phone number 735525, and then once I pay, I'll just say I transfer, and then I notify the seller that I've already paid. And once he receives the money, he will just release the cash, and Binance will deposit it directly to my wallet. That is a simple procedure, guys, on how you can purchase your first crypto um, via Binance, guys. So I'm looking, guys, forward to share with you more information. Before I'm wrap up, guys, under this video there is subscribe button, guys. I urge you to go and subscribe to this channel. It is your channel. If you just want more information about techie, how to make money online, and other information for you as to give you a side hustle idea, this is your channel, guys. Don't also forget to hit that notification bell to turn it on. And I'm looking forward, guys, to connect with you so that I can be able to share more nuggets, guys.